Farkle Nano Mini Dice Game Unboxing and Review. G.I.joe sized dice. I thought this was pretty cool, so I picked it up. It's a small dice game, contains about 6 dice, and they're a little large for 1/6 scale. 1/6 scale dice would be a lot smaller than this. But I think it actually looks pretty cool. You could probably put these on a game table and they would probably blend right in because they are quite small. 1/6 scale dice, they're hard to come by. These are probably the closest thing that we're going to see as far as 1/6 scale dice, unless somebody 3D prints one. The container's pretty cool. I'll probably use it for maybe an airdrop container or something like that. It's a good size for that. Just peel off the label. It already has a attachment up at the lid. Take off the key ring. Make a nice little airdrop container. As far as the dice go, I think they're pretty cool. What do you guys think? Do you think you would buy or pass on this? Probably the closest thing that we're going to see for 1/6 scale dice. Let me know what you think. I'm curious to hear. Drop a comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.